This is the men's 100-yard butterfly time trial. We still have a lost phone at the announcer's table, an iPhone with a clear blue case. If you are missing your phone, please make your way to the announcer's table. Rosenwald with a national speed standard 47.50.